Your doors do much more than provide an entryway. They play a major role in your home's comfort, security, and energy efficiency. In a coastal environment like Pompano Beach, doors are constantly exposed to heat, humidity, moisture, and salt air, all of which can accelerate wear and tear. Knowing the signs that it's time for door replacement can help homeowners avoid bigger problems and maintain a comfortable, secure home. Difficulty opening or closing the door. One of the earliest signs that a door may need replacement is trouble with daily operation. If your door sticks, drags along the floor, or no longer opens and closes smoothly, it could be a sign of warping or structural damage. In Pompano Beach homes, high humidity and moisture can cause door materials to swell or shift over time, making proper operation difficult and frustrating. Visible warping, cracks, or damaged doors that show visible damage such as cracks, splitting, or warping are often past the point of simple repair. These issues not only affect appearance but also reduce the door's ability to seal properly. For Pompano Beach homeowners, exposure to sun and moisture can speed up this type of damage, making door replacement a more reliable long-term solution. Drafts and indoor temperature changes. If you feel warm air entering your home near doors, or notice temperature changes around entryways, your door may no longer be sealing correctly. In Pompano Beach, poorly sealed doors allow hot, humid air to enter, making it harder to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. Replacement doors are designed with better insulation and tighter seals to prevent this issue. Rising energy bills. Older or damaged doors can contribute to higher cooling costs by allowing air leaks that force your HVAC system to work harder. For Pompano Beach homeowners, replacing inefficient doors can help improve energy efficiency and reduce monthly energy expenses while improving comfort. Moisture or water intrusion. Water stains, soft spots, or moisture around door frames are serious warning signs. Moisture intrusion can lead to mold, rot, and structural damage if left unaddressed. In a coastal environment like Pompano Beach, doors must provide strong protection against moisture. Replacement doors with proper sealing help protect the home from water-related issues. Increased outdoor noise. If outside noise is becoming more noticeable inside your home, your door may no longer be providing adequate sound insulation. Replacement doors with modern materials and construction can help reduce noise intrusion, creating a quieter and more comfortable indoor environment in busy Pompano Beach neighborhoods. Outdated appearance. Affecting curb appeal. Doors play a major role in first impressions. A worn, faded, or outdated door can detract from your home's overall appearance. For Pompano Beach homes, replacing an old door can instantly enhance curb appeal and give the exterior a refreshed, well-maintained look. Security concerns. Older doors may not offer the level of security homeowners expect today. Weak materials, worn locks, or outdated hardware can make a home more vulnerable. Replacement doors often include stronger cores, improved locking systems, and reinforced frames that enhance security for Pompano Beach homeowners. Frequent repairs that don't last. If you're constantly repairing hinges, weather stripping, or locks, it may be more cost-effective to replace the door entirely. For Pompano Beach residents, repeated repairs often indicate the door has reached the end of its functional lifespan. Preparing for long-term comfort and protection. Replacing doors isn't just about fixing a problem, it's about improving daily living. New doors provide better insulation, improved security, and increased durability in coastal conditions. Knowing when it's time to replace your door. Recognizing the signs of door failure helps homeowners take action before small issues become major concerns. From drafts and moisture intrusion to security and appearance problems, these warning signs shouldn't be ignored. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, timely door replacement helps protect the home, improve comfort, and ensure long-term peace of mind.